Hi, this is a lecture on Microsoft Foundry. Microsoft Foundry is the major and perhaps the most important offering from Microsoft in the Azure AI space. It occurs very frequently in the AB731 exam, which is the Microsoft Azure Transformation Leader exam, and also in the AI 900 or the 901 series exams, which is the Azure AI Fundamentals exam. So listen please carefully to this. This is a very important service. So why is it so very important? Because it is an unified platform for all the Azure AI services. What is in it? It is the hub for agents. So you can build agents using models hosted in Microsoft Foundry, tools, and data. And also you have security and observability. So there are many AI services in Microsoft Foundry. One is the bot service, where you can develop enterprise grade bots, where you can enrich your customer experience. Computer vision, where you can analyze content in images and videos. Custom vision, where you can customize image recognition to fit your business. Please do watch a video in this channel of the bees detection with Azure Custom Vision, and I will put a link in the description of this video. It was showcased in the Microsoft site, so please do watch it. Then there is content safety, which is there is an AI service that detects unwanted contents. Then there is document intelligence, which is also one of the important service where you can accelerate information extraction from documents like text from documents, and it is widely used in say invoices, maybe in forms and all these kind of things. Very, very important service and very important in your Azure AI application development. The Face API, which is detecting and identifying people emotions in images. Health Insights have models which perform analysis to support a human decision. Machine learning, very important service where you have a workspace and where you can train data, you can manage all your models, you can have assets and data related to machine learning projects. The immersive reader, which allows users to read and comprehend text. The language service, where you can use this service to build apps with industry leading natural language understanding capabilities. The speech service, which provides speech to text, text to speech, and also translation of speech. And last of all, but not the least, the translator service, where you can translate text and documents instantly or in batches in more than 100 languages, and you can use it for translation in call centers, multilingual conversation agents, or in-app communication. One question to you: which Microsoft Foundry service would you like to go in detail? Please post in the comments below, and please do not forget to visit our site, the ambarishganguly.com, where you will find lots of resources on AI and data. Thank you. Bye. Hope you liked it.